Hello students, how are you? I am your Raman Arya and you are watching my channel Raman Arya Geography. If you like this channel, please subscribe it and share it. Today I brought the topic from 9th class, Structure of Earth. There are three realms of our Earth: lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Man has constantly explored these three realms of Earth. Although man has been able to solve all the mysteries of atmosphere and beyond the space to some extent, he also able to study the depth of oceans in detail. But even then, the interior of Earth is still remain a mystery for the great geologist. Our knowledge of the structure of Earth's interior is based on the indirect evidence provided by the study of physical properties of inaccessible regions of the Earth. The thermal and the physical state of Earth's interior also help us in knowing the structure of Earth and its composition. Some factors as temperature, pressure, density, earthquake waves, they also help to determine the interior of the Earth and its structure. As we go deep inside the Earth, the temperature goes on increasing. Why? Because there are some radioactive elements present deep inside the Earth. The temperature increasing at the rate of 1 degree Celsius at every 32 meters. There is high pressure in the Earth interior or inside the Earth, and this high pressure exercises a powerful influence on the temperature and the physical state of the Earth. It is believed that the Earth is having three layers: crust, mantle and core. Crust is the uppermost layer and it is made up of hard rocks on which we people are living. Crust is having two layers, Sial and Sima. Sial means silica and aluminium and Sima means silica and magnesium. Sial is a discontinuous layer. It is hard part of the Earth. It is lighter than Sima and always float over the Sima. There is a contact zone between crust and mantle, and this zone is known as Morovicic discontinuity. Our next layer is mantle. It is the second layer of the Earth. It consists of magnesium and iron silicates. The depth of this layer varies between 35 to 2,900 meter. This layer is also having, or this layer we can divide into two parts. One is upper mantle, another one is the lower mantle. Upper mantle means asthenosphere and lower mantle, that is mesosphere. Upper mantle is found in the liquid, in the molten states because of the high temperature. This high temperature melt the materials which is present in the Earth's surface. The lower mantle, that is found in the solid state because of the high pressure. Because of the pressure, all these materials, they are compressed and they are becoming solid. Our next and last layer is core. Core is the innermost layer and it is also known as barosphere. It is composed of nickel and iron, which are responsible for the Earth's magnetism. This layer is also divided into two parts. One is outer core and another one is inner core. Outer core is found in the molten state because of high temperature, and inner core is found in the solid state because of high pressure. The temperature of this layer is estimated, that is 2700 degrees Celsius. The density of this layer is 14.5 to 16, and the temperature may be extend till the 4000 degrees Celsius. The density of this layer ranges from 14.5 to 16. The temperature also increases sharply with descent into Earth until it may reaches at least 4000 degrees Celsius. So the students, this was our chapter about the structure of Earth. Next time we will meet again with a new video, with a new topic. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe and be happy. Goodbye all.